welcome back to our channel, and today we'll be sharing a very easy yet healthy chicken salad recipe. Start off by adding salt and pepper to 100 gram of chicken breast. Follow it with 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of vinegar. Sprinkle on some oregano and chili flakes and mix it well. Now let the chicken marinate for at least an hour or overnight. Meanwhile, in another bowl, add in half a cup of beaten curd, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of hot sauce. To this, I'll be adding in some dried basil, but this step is completely optional. Now beat everything in and let it refrigerate for some time. For the time the curd is in the refrigerator, in a pan add in the chicken and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes each side on low flame. Make sure the chicken is completely cooked. Now let's combine everything in. In the curd, add 1 diced cucumber, half a chopped onion, 1 diced tomato. Now add in the chopped chicken. Drizzle on juice of 1 whole lemon and mix everything. Garnish it with some coriander or some chopped nuts. If you guys liked the recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.